Updating your email address on OneDrive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign into OneDrive. Go to the OneDrive website and log in using your current email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Navigate to the email address section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section that allows you to manage your personal information. This section typically includes your current email address and options to edit it. Step 4. Update your email address. Click on the option to edit your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and ensure it is typed correctly. You may need to verify the new email address by receiving a confirmation email. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to finalize the update. After completing these steps, your email address on OneDrive will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to ensure the change is successful.